Is the 105th quarterly meeting of Council of Traditional Rulers holding in Port Harcourt, the River State capital. The state governor, accompanied by some members of the Executive Council, is here to declare the meeting open. Thanking the monarchs for their concern, Governor Wike reiterates the plan for an even spread of projects to mark the golden jubilee of the state.
We promise of certain projects. We promise that every senatorial district, every local government will have impact. Government will provide 1 or 2 projects in all the local government. This is not the period anybody will say, oh, our own local government is neglected.
The head of the Traditional Rulers Council stool and King of Opobo Kingdom picks on the matter of the sacked security details of the governor, which he says is of concern to the royal fathers.
So want to use this medium to call on the Inspector General of Police to revisit the dismissal of these 6 police officers.
Next on the governor's schedule is a meeting with medical directors of private hospitals in the state. It's an interactive session covering issues like improved and affordable service delivery to the people, increased infrastructure development, and blocking revenue leaks in the system.
How much are we supposed to get in a day from private clinics and hospitals? How much are we supposed to get from private schools? How much are we going to get from hotels, restaurants? We want to be, and we are doing it in such a way that where private schools will pay will differ from where hospitals will pay.
The meeting ends with the Commissioner of Health, Theophilus Odagme, giving assurances of the support of the doctors for the government in the drive to sanitize the system.
I want to assure you that other issues that we talk about, we will run fast with them and ensure that we work together and get a better service delivery for our people.
Emmanuel Irei, Channels Television News.